How's it going, guys? Bainey here, and welcome back to Facebook Ads for Small Businesses, where I teach small business owners just like you exactly how to run Facebook ads for your business so you don't have to pay someone like me thousands of dollars a month to do it for you. In today's video, guys, video 10.1 I'm going to call it, I'm going to show you how to configure your web events inside of the Facebook Business Manager so you can start creating custom audiences and so that everything's tracking correctly. This is a new feature brought in because of the new iOS 14 update, so that's why it's called video 10.1. It's an extra video that I've had to slot in here. So before I get started, guys, before I jump into the video, hit that subscribe button for us, hit that like button, and if you have any questions whatsoever, something doesn't make sense or you're stuck on something, leave it in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer it. And let's jump into today's video. Your account, when you're first getting started, will probably look something like this. So we want to head to the resource center, and this little warning sign here, it's going to let us know that we have to configure our web events. Here's one way you'll find it. If it shows up here, great, just go to review events and we'll come up with a page like this, which is what we want. But if for some reason it's not here at all, there's no warning signs or anything like that, you can still get to it. You still need to go to it through this way. Go to the three lines, go to Events Manager, then scroll down to Event Measurement, then Configure Web Events. So it takes us to the same page. So what we want to do is, you're probably just going to have the one domain. It's going to have 0 events on it, so it's going to look very similar to this one here. So we just want to click the drop down box, go to Manage Events, go to Edit. If you're running ads, it's going to stop your ads for 72 hours while you do this. You probably shouldn't be running ads yet anyway if you're just first getting started. So you want to go to Add Event, pick your pixel, and you want the highest value one at the top. So purchases obviously at the top. Turn that on if you can. Probably when you're first getting started, it's not going to allow you to turn this on. Just leave it for now, but maybe come back in 2 or 3 months and just turn it on. Next one down would be add payment info. Initiate checkout. That's how you want to set up your event. It's going to say there's 8 events filled because there's 4 of these events, and then it's got these here. This, like I said, you're probably not going to be able to turn that on. If you've got that turned off, you'll only have 5 of the 8 spots filled, which is fine. Just remember to come back in a month or so after you get a lot of sales. Come back and turn that on. It shouldn't pause it for 72 hours. It shouldn't by turning that on, but it might, and you sort of need to do it anyway, so just do it. Make sure they're set up like that. Purchases, add payment info, initiate checkout, add to cart, view content, and come down here and simply go apply. Confirm that, then apply again. And okay. So that's probably going to take 72. If your ads are running, they're probably going to pause it. You update everything in the background. So that should be all set up now. I just thought I'd shoot this extra video because recently I seen someone that trying to make custom audiences. These weren't configured yet, and I had this video in the course a lot later on. It was probably a little bit too far down the course, so I thought I'd throw it in here. I'll call it 10.1, so it's just after setting up the pixels and stuff like that and your standard events. So then you can jump straight into this and configure all this so it's all done to start off with. If for some reason you go in here and it's not letting you pick any events, then you might have to maybe run some traffic first and activate those events. I don't think they should. They should come up automatically because these ones here haven't been used for a while. I think it said they haven't been used for more than a month and they were still there. So if they're not there, then you might have to run some traffic for them to show up and then do this, but they should be there anyway. Yeah, so that's it for this video, guys. On the next one, I show you how to set up your custom columns and stuff like that so you can read your data correctly. So I'll see you on that video, guys.